Koenigsegg has just written another legendary chapter in the history of speed. With just a few software tweaks to the Jesko Absolut, the Swedish brand impressively reclaimed the 0 to 400 km per hour and back to zero record, beating the feared electric Rimac Nevera by half a second. Dubbed Absolute Overdrive, this achievement proved that a 1600 horsepower twin-turbo V8 with rear-wheel drive can still challenge and beat the fastest electric hypercars on the planet. Watch the video now and feel the thrill of this machine shattering records.